Okay, guys, when you're practicing your wind-up toy from Intermediate Salsa, you can actually practice this by imagining you're putting a cape on over your head and then spinning it over the other side. So a good way to practice that is if you have a cape or a beach towel. Oh, like the one I have here. So with our beach towel, bring it out in front of you and do your salsa basic. 1, 2, 3. We're going to put our cape on over our left shoulder. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. We're going